CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Task Scheduler. Task Scheduler is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to automate the execution of tasks based on specific triggers or schedules. A task refers to an action performed by the system, such as running a program, executing a script, or launching a command at a defined time or event. These tasks are organized within the Task Scheduler library and can be configured to run automatically without user intervention. To better understand how Task Scheduler is used, it's important to know what components make up a task. Each task includes a trigger, which determines when the task runs, such as at a specific time, during system startup, or when a user logs in. It also includes an action, which defines what the task does, such as starting an application or running a script. Understanding how these components work together allows technicians to automate routine processes and diagnose scheduling issues. Instead of manually performing repetitive actions, you can use Task Scheduler to streamline system maintenance, updates, and administrative tasks. Now that you understand how Task Scheduler is used, let's look at how to access it. To open Task Scheduler using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type taskschd.msc and click OK. This command launches Task Scheduler, where you can view, create, and manage scheduled tasks. Once Task Scheduler is open, the next step is knowing where to look. Focus on the Task Scheduler library, where tasks are organized in folders. Selecting a task allows you to view its triggers, actions, conditions, and history. You can also create new tasks or modify existing ones to meet specific requirements. Finally, it's important to understand why this tool matters in an IT environment. Task Scheduler allows technicians to automate administrative and maintenance tasks, improving efficiency and consistency. It can also be used to troubleshoot issues where scheduled processes fail to run or complete properly. For the exam, remember that Task Scheduler is the primary tool used to automate tasks and manage scheduled processes, making it essential for system maintenance and troubleshooting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.